Abiyah, have your way in me. You're the potter, I'm the clay. Shape my heart to your desire. Mold my life your holy way. Bake these hands and use them, yeah. Let my life your glory reveal. I surrender everything. Make me the best so you can feel. Fill me with your spirit. Your spirit. Your spirit. Fill me with your spirit. Your spirit. Your spirit. Yeah, break the chains binding me. Speak your word and I'll be free. Let my praise rise like a fire. Your power the world will see. I will sing and I will dance. Lift your name.